So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove anything in an image using this new AI tutorial. Let's get started right here. Before I get to this website itself, I'm gonna ask you kindly that if you're watching this on your MacBook, a tablet, a phone, please stay at the end of the video because it's literally the same process. So let's get started. On your browser, just type in cleanup pictures. It should be looking like this. This is gonna be the website. Now on here, basically you just need to drop a file here, may it be photos, a JPEG, a PNG, it's really up to you. Now since this is going to be a discussion purposes video, I'm going to take examples right here. I'm going to choose the first sample, a bag, with erasers, a ruler, a pencil, and so on and so forth. Now, once you uploaded the photo, you're arriving on this editing platform, which has two tools actually, rather three. You're going to have three tools right here. One is eraser, one is the magnifying glass, and of course, lastly is the reset button. So as you can see, each of these tools have this slide bar right here. This determines how big the area you're gonna erase. For example, as you can see, this is the lowest. I'm gonna try erasing this pen cap. I'm gonna erase that one right here. I'm gonna click on holding, make sure I highlight everything, and just release. We just need to wait for a few seconds to it finish erased, and as you can see right there, the pen cap has been erased. Now I can simply undo what I did here to get it back, and then when I launch this slider right here, this highlight circle will be enlarged. So I specifically suggest go as little or small as possible to be more accurate. Anyway, for the zoom one, you can just click zoom and then toggle the side button to be more accurate and specific on your erasing process. So I can just click the eraser right there, go for the pencil right here, making sure everything is covered, going back. This is my method. I'm gonna keep drawing circles on it, so making sure this is gonna be accurate as possible. I'm just gonna go right there. So this is the only down cause if you're using a very small area. You need to be more patient. So I think that's good enough. I'm gonna release my left mouse key, and then the pencil is gone. I can just click the zoom, click on reset. Now, on the top right section, you're gonna have a toggle button to see the before and after of your image. Now simply click on download if you're satisfied. If you're not, you can click this button right here to start a new project. Basically, that's how you remove anything in an image using this new AR tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys at the next one. Goodbye for now.